In this video, I will show you how to swap USDC for Solana on Phantom Wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your Phantom Wallet app and then click on swap from the home screen. And in here, you need to select USDC at the top. And down below, you need to select Solana. So from here, select Solana all the way to the left. And in here, just select it. And at the top, as I already did, you need to have USDC. And for that, you need to click on all. And when you don't see it, you can also search for USD and then coin. So now enter the amount of USDC that you want to transfer. So I'm just going to transfer everything I have. And now it will determine the amount that I will receive. We can also check the provider, and that is only one at this moment, and that is May and Swift. And it will take 38 seconds for this transfer to complete. So if you want to finalize this transfer, you need to click on swap now, but please be aware that you need to have an amount of Polygon as well in your account in order to make this transfer final. And this amount is around 0.07 Polygon. So if you have enough, then you will be able to finalize this transfer. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.